how to make Steam stop asking for age. It is possible, it is not possible. Let's find out now. First of all, I will pass the information on this version of Steam, but it's the same information to all versions until the time that I'm recording this video, okay? So if you want to turn off that notification that you have to put your age, I will tell you that is impossible, okay? Steam doesn't have this option until the time that I'm recording this video. I searched a little bit and I found the answer, okay? I'm telling you the truth. So if you want to turn off this option, is just temporarily, okay? You put your age, and until you restart your PC, the notification will not appear. I hope I helped you with the information. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.